What's up guys, it's Kurt the Mark II Kid. Today I'm going to be ceramic coating the windscreen of the Mark II and telling you why you should do the same. So this is a dead easy job that anyone can do at home, weekend warrior. The ceramic coating that I like to use and I've used for a couple of years now is actually the Carbon Collective products. They're really good. So I use their glass paint, Oracle, which is like a top coat for the paint protection, wheels and glass. The old windscreen of the Mark II used to have this. I did coat the old windscreen in this ceramic coating from Carbon Collective, but a couple of months ago I had some paint work done. I had a little bit of rust around this area of the Mark II and the windscreen was popped out. That was repaired, repainted, and it's looking good. But as they were taking the windscreen out, they brought the windscreen, so I've got a brand new, I don't know if the light's going to be very good in here, but I've got a brand new windscreen on the Mark II now. I'm actually quite pleased with that because there's no window wiper scratches in it, so yeah, perfect. So we need to re-ceramic coat the windscreen. So like I say, I use the Carbon Collective stuff. I know Auto Finesse send me out free stuff, but I've actually used this Carbon Collective stuff for a couple of years now and I really like it. So I'm going to carry on using it, and it's dead easy to use as well. Anybody can do it, and you should be doing it because the extra water hydrophobic properties that it offers on the windscreen is just ridiculous. You can drive up the motorway, you know, lashing down with rain and not really have to use your window wipers. It's that good. There's a couple of myths surrounding ceramic coating, however. People think that it protects your car from scratches.
Bullshit.
Doesn't. What it does do though, it basically offers just a really slick finish, improves the look of the paint and the plastics, and like I say, it's extremely water hydrophobic, so it's always a plus. That looks, you know, it keeps the dirt off the car. It's easier to wash, and we all love some beading, don't we? So yeah, so let's get into it. So the first step of this process is just cleaning the windscreen. You can use alcohol, any window cleaner product out there. I've got some Auto Finesse Crystal and a clean microfiber towel. And it's easy, this step, just to give the window a good clean, make sure there's no streaks, dust, dirt, smears on the windscreen. Otherwise, when you apply the ceramic coating, it'll seal all them in and you'll have to machine polish the ceramic coating off and start again. So yeah, let's clear the windscreen. So with the window nice and clean, we can move on to step 2, which is actually apply the ceramic coating. And even this step is just as easy. You take your microfiber applicator that you get in the packaging, apply 2 to 3 drops of the ceramic coating, and then you stick the microfiber applicator on your fingers like this, and then in a cross hatch kind of movement, you want to go down the windscreen. So you want to go down all the way across to the middle, and then side to side all the way across the middle, and then obviously go around, do the same on the other side. And you want to leave it on there for around, I think it's 1 to 2 minutes, yeah. So I don't know whether you can see that there. Focus. You'll be able to find these instructions online anyway if you're looking at wanting to do this. But 1 to 2 minutes. Leave the ceramic coating on there for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then wipe it off. Give the windscreen a good look over. Make sure that you've not left any high spots and not missed anywhere, because when it sets, when it dries and cures, you will see that. Once you've wiped the excess ceramic coating off the windscreen, 2 hours later, come back and do exactly the same again, and then you're good to go. What they do say is leave the car 24 hours before washing it, taking it out in the rain, that kind of thing. I like to, with the Golf, I like to, obviously it stays in the garage, so I won't be taking it out anytime soon, so it'll have more than a week to cure, which is ideal, I've found in the past. Let's apply the coating. And the ceramic coating is on. There's not very good light in here, unfortunately, and I'm not going to pop the garage door open because it is miserable outside. It's on, it's curing. You can just about make out, it's a bit hazy at the top there in the corner. That's the ceramic coating on. We'll give it 2 minutes and then we'll wipe that off. Ceramic coating's done. There's the first coat. I'll come back and do the second coat. I won't film that. It's exactly the same. Don't need to clean the windscreen. Just reapply a second coat. Do exactly the same. Up and down, and then side to side motion. Wipe that off. Flatten it. Make sure there's no high spots. No bits missed, which I've done, and it should be good to go. So there's a couple of myths surrounding a ceramic coating. Like I say, it doesn't protect your car from scratches. I've actually got this ceramic coat, the whole thing ceramic coated, from the glass to the paint to the wheels to the trim. You can still scratch your car, basically. But like I say, it does protect it from the dirt a little bit, makes it easier to wash, gives you that sort of nice beading when it's raining and stuff outside, keeps the sort of the dirt in the water from sitting on the car. And yeah, it's much better in the rain. If you're driving your car in the rain, you can literally drive up the motorway. I've driven up the motorway before in this, up to shores, and I've been caught and it's in the rain, it's lashing down, and I'm doing sort of 75, 65, 70 mile an hour, and you don't have to use your wipers. It just shoots, it lands on the windscreen, shoots off the windscreen at the back of the car, and you've seen how easy it is to apply. That's it. So anyone can ceramic coat their car or their windscreen, and everybody should be ceramic coating their windscreen because it makes life much easier. If you've enjoyed this video, guys, I'll leave a link to the products I've used below, the carbon collected ceramic coating and the auto finesse glass cleaner and the cloths. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, learned something new, hopefully you have, give me a like, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I'll catch you next time, and hopefully next time I'll have some fuel, because there's a fuel shortage at the moment, and this is sitting on empty at the moment, so I can't really take it out, and I only run it on V-power. So Shell, if you're listening, which you're probably not because I'm a small channel, get some V-power in. But yeah, like, subscribe. I'll leave the links to the products down below in the description, and hopefully I'll see you next time.